Now this is the Delmarva Central Vertical Lift Bridge, crosses the Chesapeake and Delaware Canal, located in Summit Bridge, Delaware. Now it was old vertical lift bridge that was replaced by this bridge, and this raised is usually lower position for train traffic, and now it's raised for boats and barges and everything. So this is a largest lift bridge ever built. Understand? Right next to the other lift bridges I'm gonna show you though. And it's rail traffic, and see, you got balance chains on this one, because I remember some vertical lift bridges have balance chains connected to the counterweight, to the truss of the span of the tower. I mean, look over here, balance chains, and it's by like links and all that. So metal links, and it lifts and it lowers. So again, this is Summer Bridge, Delaware, crossing the Delaware and Chesapeake or Canal.